Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Amelia, one of the producers here at the Amoretti Test Kitchen, and we have had so many requests for a fun fall drink. So we've got a good one for you today. Come on, let's try it. Okay, so today we're going to make a Pumpkin Spice Kentucky Mule. What is a Kentucky Mule, you ask? So it is a Moscow Mule, but it is made with bourbon, which bourbon, to be called a bourbon, has to be made in Kentucky. So we're calling this a Kentucky Mule. And we're gonna be using our pumpkin spice syrup. So this has all of the fun fall flavors just packed into one easy to pump syrup. Let's get started. So we're gonna start off by filling our tumbler with some ice. And then we're going to do 2 pumps of Amoretti's premium pumpkin spice syrup. Now, if you like your Moscow Mules really sweet, you can do a 3rd pump. It's up to you. And to that, we're going to add some bourbon. We are going to do 2 ounces of bourbon. You know what, we're gonna just add a little more Southern charm to this. It's a little more than 2 ounces, but just choose what feels right for you. And then we're gonna stir that up a little bit. And to that, I'm going to squeeze half a lemon. So we're gonna use a lemon because a lemon goes really well with this flavor profile. This lemon was made for the Hulk. It is a strong lemon, but so am I. So there we go, got some lemon in there. Okay, great. So now we're going to add our ginger beer to top this off. I think it's good to add a good amount of ginger beer because bourbon is a strong flavor. Some say it will put hair on your chest. So put a good amount of ginger beer. Don't be shy adding that in. Unless you really like that flavor of that strong oaky flavor, then you can pull back a little bit on the ginger beer. And we are ready to serve these up. So mules are traditionally always served up in a copper cup. Okay, let's load up our cup with a lot of ice. Garnish with a cinnamon stick, and there you have it. That is your Pumpkin Spice Kentucky Mule. Cheers! So good. That is your Pumpkin Spice Kentucky Mule. Really great. You definitely want to add a lot of ginger beer into that because the bourbon is such a strong liquor flavor, but you really get that pumpkin spice with all those warm notes that kind of just fully and finishes out the drink. This is the perfect drink for all your fall festivals or for a Halloween party. Give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it and are able to give it a try. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you get notifications for all of our new videos. You can also follow us on all of our social media channels at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Thanks so much. Cheers.